Papa paint here. Got this Honda. I'm pulling the hood out to try and save the lady some money. You can see it's dented in pretty good. Now I pinned it along. I used 36 grit on the little grinder, and I pinned it along the deep areas and when the style line is. So I'm going to try and bring it all back out so that way I don't have a lot of Bondo in it. Don't just fill big areas. All it's just going to do is crack and fail on you. The thinner you get the Bondo, the better. Hit that like, subscribe, and if you hit that notification bell, you'll be able to see other videos I'll come out with. I might be able to give some pointers that can help you. Help a painter out. Thanks. There. Now I've got it all ground out. Make sure you clean your metal areas really good. Now, because when I was pulling it, it made a couple small holes like here and here. And it's got one over here. What I want to do is I'm going to take Duraglass because it's way stronger and it holds better. And I'm going to put a coat over it and then sand that down. Then I'll start the Bondo process. But I want to make sure water doesn't get into those at all. That's why I want to put Duraglass on them to lock it down. Now here it is with the first coat of Duraglass on it. All I got to do is finish it up with some Bondo now. Alright, now after the Bondo was on it, you can see I've got it all looking good and got it in primer. All I need to do is paint it. I'm going to get ready to paint the hood on this one that I showed repairing it, but I got another bumper that's silver. It's a different car. What I'm going to do is base this bumper out first, then I'll get to the hood. When you're painting the bumper, always watch your edges so you don't have a black bleed through or whatever color you're painting. Don't let it bleed through on the edges because you didn't get them covered. All right, now we got this hood prepped. I 400'd the primer, then I went back over everything with 800, then I scuffed it all down. It's already been waxed and grease remover, and it's already been tacked off. All that's always ready anytime you see me paint. I just don't show every single step because I figured I've shown it on some, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. Let's roll. Okay, now I'm going to get ready to clear everything. We got all set up. Everything's all based out. It's at about 20 minutes now. They've been tacked. Everything's ready to go. to help stop with orange peel and stuff, use a good clear. If you use a good clear, everything's going to work out fine. Pay attention to how you're laying it. Pay attention to your distance. You should be able to get a good clean job if you're doing everything like I've been showing. All right, I've let it set like 5 minutes where the paint is just, it's sticky, but it doesn't come off on your finger. That's the way you want it, nice and tacky. All right, we're gonna put the second coat on. This is when it's gonna really lay out nice.